Welcome to mathematics class, straight line, part 9. So this is in continuation of last class. Let us practice some more problems from the exercise 3C, second section, Roman number 2. A straight line meets the coordinate axis in A and B. Find the equation of straight line when AB is divided in the ratio 2:3 at -5, 2. ఒక సరళ రేఖ నిరూపక అక్షాలను ఏబి బిందువుల వద్ద ఖండిస్తే ఏబి రేఖాఖండాన్ని -5, 2 అనే బిందువు 2:3 నిష్పత్తిలో విభజిస్తే ఆ సరళ రేఖ యొక్క సమీకరణాన్ని కనుక్కోవాలి. A straight line meets the coordinate axis in A and B. ఒక రేఖ నిరూపక అక్షాలను AB అనే బిందువుల వద్ద ఖండిస్తుంది. ఒక సరళ రేఖ నిరూపక అక్షాలను, let us take this as x-axis and this y-axis. A straight line meets coordinate axis at A and B. Let the line meets x-axis at A and y-axis at B. And there is a point P, which divides AB line segment in 2:3 ratio. In 2:3 ratio. Otherwise, you can take the line this side. Let us take the line this way. We can extend it. So if you take the line like this, so A and B, it meets coordinate axis at A and B, and there is a point P which divides the line segment AB in 2:3 ratio, where P is -5, 2. Now let AB A, 0 and B 0, B. Let us take the 2 points like this. Now, it is given that AB is divided in the ratio 2:3 at this point. Now, let point A be A comma 0 and B as 0 comma B, and this line AB segment, line AB is divided with P in 2:3 ratio. This is A comma 0, this is 0 comma B, and P is -5 comma 2. Now, the coordinates of P division formula, where P can be taken as m1 x2 plus m2 x1, if the ratio is m1 is to m2, and m1 plus m2, m1 y2, m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. We know this. This is the formula to find a point which divides the line segment AB in m1 is to m2 ratio internally. m1 m2 నిష్పత్తిలో అంతరంగా విభజించే ఒక రేఖాఖండాన్ని అంతరంగా విభజించే బిందువు యొక్క నిరూపకాలు. Using this formula, so m1 x2 2 into 0. Now the coordinates of P -5 comma 2 is equal to 2 into 0 plus m2 x1 3 into a by m1 plus m2 2 plus 3, and y coordinate 2 into b plus 3 into 0 by 2 plus 3 m1 plus m2. -5 comma 2, 2 into 0 is 0. This is 3a by 5, and this is 2b by 5. Equating the x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate, equating x coordinates and y coordinate, both sides, equating x and y coordinates, we get 3a by 5 is equal to -5, and 2b by 5 is equal to 2. Cross multiplying, so 3a is equal to -5 into 5 minus 25, and 2b is equal to 5 into 2, 10. So a is equal to -25 by 3, and b is equal to 10 by 2, that is 5. Now, equation of a straight line in intercept form where A and B are intercepts. Equation of a straight line in intercept form x by A, y by B is equal to 1, where A and B are intercepts. So this is the equation of straight line that we have taken. A is the x-intercept. If the line cuts the x-axis at A, so this value is x-intercept, AO, and OB is y-intercept, and the equation of the straight line is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Now, substituting the A and B values, A as minus 25, 3, substituting AB values, so let us name it as equation 1, from the above equation 1. So the equation of straight line, required straight line, is x by minus 25 by 3 plus p value 5. So 3 becomes 3x. You can write it as minus also if you take 3x by 25, y by 5 is equal to 0. So taking 25 LCM minus 3x plus 5y is equal to not 0, this is 1, and cross multiplying we get minus 3x plus 5y is equal to 25, or multiplying with minus 1, you can change the sign. 3x plus 5 becomes minus 5, and 25 becomes minus 25, minus 25. You can bring minus 25 left side. So the required equation 3x minus 5y plus 25 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the straight line. Now let us take up one more question. Find the equation of straight line passing through the points and also find the area of the triangle formed by it. Now, two points are given. First, find the equation passing through the 2 points. Then, find the area. So, two things are there. First, we have to find the equation passing through the 2 points. Already, we did such problems, similar problems in previous classes. And also, we know how to find area of a triangle formed by the line with coordinate axis. Okay. Let us take the 2 points as let the first point as A minus 1 comma 2, and B 5 comma minus 1. First point x1 y1, second point x2 y2. Equation of straight line passing through this to be equation of AB straight line y minus y1 y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. 2-point formula and 2 points are given. This is the formula to find the equation of a straight line. So using this, substituting the values, now y minus y1 value is 2, y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 2 by x2 minus x1 5 minus 1, that is 5 plus 1, and x minus x1 minus 1, that is minus into minus becomes plus 1. Y minus 2 minus 3 by 6 x plus 1. So you can cancel. This is 3 1 time, 3 1, and 3 2 times. And 2 into left side and 1 into right side. So 2 into y, 2y, 2 into 2, 4, minus 1 into x, minus 1 into 1. So bringing right side terms left side, this can be 2y minus 4 plus x plus 1 is equal to 0, and right x term and y term. So minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a straight line passing through the given 2 points. Now we have to find the area. After finding the equation, find the area of a triangle. Area of triangle AOB. So we have to find this area of triangle. So we can find area of triangle by transforming the equation into intercept form. Then the x-intercept will be base and y-intercept will be height. So half into base into height. Already we did. That way also we can find the area of triangle, or we can find direct comparing this equation with ax plus by plus c. Then area of triangle AOB is c square by 2ab. So this is the formula. Using this formula also you can, without transforming the equation into intercept form, we can find the area of a triangle formed by the line with coordinate axis. So here The A value is 1, B value is 2, and C value is 3. Now, area of the triangle AOB is equal to C square minus 3 square by 2 into A value 1, B value 2. So minus 3 square is 9. 2 into 2 is 4. So therefore, area of triangle AOB is 9 by 4 square units. In the previous class also, you can find whenever the equation of a straight line is given, and if you want to find the area of a triangle formed by the line with coordinate axis, in two ways you can find: by transforming by equation into intercept form and taking the intercepts using half into base into height formula. Otherwise, directly you can use this form. This is also almost the same. If you convert this into intercepts, so minus A by C minus B by C will be the intercepts. So you will get this formula. If you remember this, you can use it directly, C square by 2AB. So there are two methods. You can find the area of triangle. So now let us take up one more problem. The third one. A straight line with slope 1 passes through point Q and meets the straight line at P. Find the distance PQ. The similar problems we did in the previous classes. ఇలాంటివి మనం ఇంతకుముందు చేసినాం. Now again let us do it again. For this also two methods are there. A straight line with slope 1 passes through a point Q and meets another straight line at P. Another straight line at P. Now let us draw the figure. Let us take this is x-axis and this y-axis. A straight line passing through Q. A straight line passing through Q like this. This is the straight line passing through a point Q. Let us take a point Q. Point Q. And there is another line. So another line is there. It is meeting the another line at P. A line passing through Q with the slope 1 meets another line x plus y minus 6 at P. Then find the distance of PQ. We have to find this distance PQ. So what is given? The line is passing through a point Q is given, and slope of this line is given as 1. Slope is given for the line PQ line. So slope of line PQ is 1. So slope is nothing but tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 1. So this gives theta is equal to 45 degrees. Slope is 1, the angle is 45. Here, the angle is 45 degrees. Angle is 45 degrees. Now we have to find the coordinates of P. Q already there. We know coordinates of Q. And P, any point on the line which is at distance of R from x1, y1. So already Q is there, -3, 5. Let us take the point as x1, y1. Now, any point, so any point on the line passing through Q, any point on the line passing through Q, that is x1, y1, and at a distance of R units is, let us name it as P, x1 plus R cos theta, y1 plus R sin theta. We know this already. We did some problems using this formula. So this is the point on the line passing through x1, y1 at a distance of R units from x1, y1 on the same line. So that is the P, point P. These are the coordinates of point P. Here x1 is -3, y1 5, and we do not know the R, and we know the angle theta is for 45 degrees, and theta is 45 degrees. Substituting, we get the point P, x1 -3 plus R cos 45, and y1 5 plus R sin 45 degrees. And further simplifying, 3 plus cos 45 1 by root 2. So this becomes R by root 2. And sin 45 also 1 by root 2. This becomes R by root 2. Since sin 45 cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin and cos both are equal for 45 degrees. Sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 1 by root 2. So these are the coordinates of P. As P lies, is a point on the line, given line. Since P is a point on both the lines, is a point on the line, is that x plus y minus 6. X plus y minus 6. So substituting P, substitute P in the equation. in the equation x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. You can see the figure. This P is on both the lines. So another line, it is given as x plus y minus 6. This line is x plus y minus 6. Two lines, a line passing through Q meets the another line x plus y plus c minus 6 at P. So P is a point on this line. P is a point on PQ line. P is a point on the given line. So substituting these P coordinates, it should satisfy both the equations. So substituting these P coordinates in the given line, it should satisfy as P lies on the point. So x value minus root 3 plus r by root 2 minus 3 plus r by root 2, this is x, plus y 5 plus r by root 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now x plus x 2x, r by root 2 plus r by root 2 is 2r by root 2. X plus x 2x, just like 2, adding these two terms, 2r by root 2, and minus 3 minus 6, minus 9 plus 5 minus 4. So bringing 4 right side, 2 by root 2 r is equal to 4, and r is equal to 4 into, if you take this right side, it becomes root 2 by 2, 2 one time, 2 two times, this becomes 2 root 2. Therefore, r is nothing but, this is the length of PQ, that is 2 root 2 units. So this is how we find the length. There are 2-3 problems almost similar to this. So for this also, you have two methods. This is one way of finding the length PQ. The same problem can be done in another method also. So in that, you can find the equation of PQ. If Q point is there and slope 1. So using 1 point slope formula y minus y1 m into x minus x1, you can find the equation of line PQ. Slope and point is there. And already another equation is there. Solving both the equations, you will get point of intersection P. Already Q is there in the formula. And you can find the point of intersection of both the lines. Then you can find the distance of between 2 points PQ. In that way also you can find the distance between PQ, and this way also substituting the coordinates and also you can find the length PQ. So finding length PQ, there are 2-3 problems almost similar. I did in two methods. In one we use that method, and in this method. So you can do it in two methods. Whichever method you find convenient, you can. Otherwise, you practice both the methods. In exam, you can go for any one of these. Now let us take up another problem from the exercise. Show that the lines are concurrent and find the point of concurrency. This is also Very simple, already we did. We know what is concurrent and find the point of concurrency. If more than two lines meet at a point, they are called lines of concurrent lines. రెండు కంటే ఎక్కువ రేఖలు ఒకే బిందువు వద్ద ఖండించుకుంటే వాటిని అనుశక్త రేఖలు అంటాం. అనుశక్త బిందువును కనుక్కోవాలి. So 3 lines are given that they are concurrent. Show that they are concurrent. So how do you show that? First, find the intersection of any two lines, point of intersection of any two lines, and substitute that point on third line. That should satisfy. So by that they become concurrent. So first find point of intersection of any two lines. Now let us take given lines. The first one, the given lines 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Let us take it as 1. And second line, 3x plus 2y minus 2 as second line, and 2x minus 3y minus 23 as third line. So there are 3 lines. So 1, 2, 3. They're intersecting at point P, and they are called concurrent lines. Now let us find the point of intersection of first two lines. Now from 1 and 2, that is solving 1 and 2. So you know how to solve. There are 2-3 methods. You can go for any method. Now let us take this direct method. X, y, 1. And taking the coefficients starting from y, 1 minus 3, 2. 1 minus 3, 2, and repeat the first one. And in second also 2 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 2, 3, repeat the first one. So starting with y coefficient, constant, x coefficient. Y coefficient constant, x coefficient in both the lines. And then cross multiply. Cross multiply, we get x by 1 into minus 2, 2 into minus 3, minus 6, minus into minus, plus. Minus 3 into 3, minus 9. Minus 2 into 2, minus 4, and minus plus 4. 2 into 2, 4, minus 3 into 1, 3. So this is x by 6 minus 2, 4. Y by minus 9 plus 4, minus 5. 1 by 4 minus 3 is 1. So equating first and last and second, third. We get x value x by 4, 1 by 1 is 1, and y by minus 5 is equal to 1. Cross multiplying, x is equal to 4 into 1, 4. Y is equal to minus 5 into 1 minus 5. So x value 4, y value minus 5. The point of intersection P x comma y is equal to 4 minus 5. This is the point of intersection of 1 and 2 lines. If the 3 lines are concurrent, this point should lie on third line also. So substituting this point, as P is a common point for all the 3 lines. So since the lines, the 3 lines are concurrent, anushaktalu, so that means P lies on third line on equation 3 also. So substitute P 4 comma minus 5 in third equation. So the third equation gives, what is third equation? 2x minus 3y minus 23. So that is 2x minus 3y minus 23. 2x minus 3y minus 23. So 2 into x value 4, 3 into y minus 5 minus 23. 2 into 4 minus 5 into 3. So 15, 8, 23 minus 23. Therefore, the point satisfies the third equation. Therefore, the P is a common point. So all the given 3 lines are concurrent. Therefore, the given lines are concurrent. The given 3 lines are concurrent. Anushaktalu. And the point of concurrence. The point of concurrency is the P 4 comma minus 5. Anushakta bindu 4 comma minus 5. Rekalu anushaktalu. Now, let us take up one more. Find the value of P if the following lines are concurrent. Already this type of also we did. Concurrency, anushaktalu. So solving first 2 equations, we get the point of concurrency. Then substituting the point in the third equation, you will get the value. Already it is given that the lines are concurrent. So you can find the unknown value. The method is same, finding the point of concurrency of any two equations, first 2 equations, and substituting the point in the third one. మొదటి 2 రేఖల ఖండన బిందువు అనుకొని దాన్ని మూడవ సమీకరణంలో ప్రతిక్షేపించాలి. 1, 2, 3. So it is a point of concurrence. 3x plus 4y. You can write 5 left side minus 5 is equal to 0. Is the first equation. And 2x plus 3y. You can write 4 left side. So second equation. Px 4y minus 6 is the third equation. Almost similar to the previous one. The lines are concurrent. It is given. So they should meet at a common point P. So point of intersection of 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 1, 3 should be the same. So point of intersection, let us find the point of intersection of first two lines, and it should satisfy the third equation. So substituting it in third, you will get the P value. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving first and second using the same method. X, y, 1, 4 minus 5, 3, 4 minus 5, 3 and 4. 3 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 4, 2 and 3. Repeating just like cross multiplication. X by 4 into minus 4 minus 16. 3 into 5 minus 5 minus 15 minus plus. Y by minus 5 into 2 minus 10 minus 4 into 3 minus 12 minus into minus plus 12. 1 by 3 into 3 9. 2 into 4 8. Further simplifying 16 plus minus 16 and minus 1, and this is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. Equating the first and last, we get x minus 1 is equal to 1 and y by 2 is equal to 1. So x value minus 1 into 1 minus 1, y value 2 into 1, 2. Therefore, point of intersection is minus 1, comma 2. So this is the point of intersection of 1 and 2 lines. This, as the lines are concurrent, P lies on 3 also. So now it is given that the lines are concurrent. The lines are concurrent. Anushaktalu. So this implies P lies on equation 3, that is third equation. Px plus 4y minus 6. So substituting P minus 1, comma 2 in equation 3. So P into x value minus 1 4 into y value 2. So that is equal to 6 minus p and 4 2 plus 8 minus p is equal to 6 minus 8 minus 2. So p is equal to minus will get cancelled. So p is equal to 2. P value is 2. Cancelling minus both sides. This is how we find the p value if the lines are concurrent by using concurrency concept. అనుషక్తాలు అంటే ఒకే బిందువు వద్ద ఖండించుకునే రేఖలను అనుషక్తాలు అంటాం. కాబట్టి వాటి ఖండన బిందువు ఒకటే అవుతుంది. So that is the concept of concurrency. Now let us take one more. One more problem from the next problem. If 3a plus 2b plus 4c is equal to 0, then show that the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 represents a family of concurrent straight lines and find the point of concurrency. Now first to take down the given condition. 3a, 2b, 4c is equal to 0. So dividing the equation with 4, dividing the equation with 4, dividing all terms by 4. So this is 3 by 4 a. So this is 1 by 2 2. 4 will get cancelled. This can be written as 1 by 2 into b plus c is equal to 0 by 4 is 0. So for all the values of AB, for all the values of AB, the line ax plus by plus c passes through x comma y. So here it is also the x value 3 by 4 and y value 1 by 2. Therefore, this equation passes through a point 3 by 4, comma 1 by 2. So therefore, the point of concurrency is 3 by 4, 1 by 2. So this is the point of concurrency. You see this one. by dividing with 4, the given equation becomes 3 by 4a, 1 by 2b plus c. Compare this as ax plus by plus c. So ax plus by plus c is an equation of line which passes through a point x comma y for all the values of ab. Now here 3 by 4 is the x value, 1 by 2 is the y value, comparing these two equations. So the ax by c line passes through x comma y point. So 3 by 4 a into 3 by 4 plus b into 1 by 2 plus c is the line passing through 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2. So this is the, for all the values of AB, you will get different equations. All the equations, all the straight lines, all the equation of straight lines pass through this point. This is the, so this is the family of equations, all pass through this common point P 3 by 4, 1 by 2. So this is the point of concurrency. ఇక్కడ ఈ సమీకరణం ఒక సరళ రేఖ కుటుంబాన్ని సూచిస్తుంది. ఏబి అనే సంఖ్యలు, ఏబి యొక్క విలువలు మనం మార్చుతూ వెళ్తే మనకు విభిన్న సరళ రేఖ సమీకరణాలు వస్తాయి. ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఒక కామన్ పాయింట్, ఒక ఉమ్మడి బిందువు 3 by 4, 1 by 2 అనే బిందువు గుండా వెళ్ళే సరళ రేఖ కుటుంబాన్ని సూచిస్తుంది. దిస్ రిప్రజెంట్స్ ఫ్యామిలీ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రేట్ లైన్స్, కాంకరెంట్ స్ట్రేట్ లైన్స్, అండ్ ద పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కాంకరెన్సీ ఈజ్ ఎట్ this point 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. So with this, I would like to conclude this class. So do watch all the lessons, prepare your notes, and try to solve the example problems, solve problems from the exercise. Thank you. Thank you for